Hey, kabahay goals! So nangita ba mo og house and lot for sale diri sa south of Cebu? I-consider ni ninyo kining naa sa Sierra Point, Minglanilla. So this is a single attached house, ang Irie model. For the regular units, it has a lot area of 122 square meters. But this is a special unit. So naa siya 158 square meters. Kay dako siya og area sa likod. Naa siya car park sa kilid, entrance porch before entering the house itself. So sa ground floor naa siya CR. Finished na siya with well-designed ceiling, naa na siya mga lighting and outlets. Nausab siya kitchen countertop and overhead cabinet. So nakanindot diri is ang wall, naa siya natural lighting tungod sa ihang glass design. At the back door, naatay access sa inyong service area pohon. So, dako pa ni siya nga inyong magamit in the future. So, this will be your guest room or bedroom for your parents nga dili na ganahan musaka sa taas. The stair is steel support with hardwood and a steel railing. So, lig-on ra kay na siya. Sa second floor, naatay tulo ka rooms, isa ka master bedroom, o kani common room and another common room. So ang atong master bedroom naa siya balcony and naa siya window with window type aircon provision. So complete na iyang lightings and ceiling. So this will be your common room. So naa siya bintana sa isig ka kilid. And this will be your second common room. So naa usab siya bintana. So highlight for this unit is daghan yun kaayo siya og natural ventilation og natural lighting tungod sa iyahang mga glass wall og iyahang mga bintana. So conserve electricity unya nindot sa pamati, hangin ug hayag tungod sa design and features of this house. So if you're interested to check the full details, please refer to the description of this video, and if you're interested to view this unit, kindly contact me. Contact details flash in the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.